Markets shift constantly. What looked like momentum an hour ago can vanish with a single volume spike. The Volumatic VIDYA by BigBeluga is designed to cut through that uncertainty by adapting to both price movement and volume dynamics in real time. At its foundation is the Variable Index Dynamic Average, an adaptive smoothing method that changes responsiveness based on recent price momentum. In sideways conditions, it flattens. During volatile breakouts, it becomes more reactive. For traders, this means you're always working with context-sensitive trend information rather than a rigid, fixed-length calculation. But where it truly separates itself is volume analysis. The indicator accumulates buy and sell volume separately across the current trend, giving a running tally of which side is applying pressure. These are displayed live on the chart, showing the volume behind the move, not just the direction. It's an immediate insight into conviction, whether bulls are dominating the flow or if bears are beginning to reclaim control. Now add in the ATR-derived bands that wrap around the VIDYA line. As price crosses these thresholds, trend direction flips. The indicator resets its bias and recalculates liquidity zones accordingly. These zones are drawn using validated pivot highs and lows, providing context for likely areas of resistance and support. They're not speculative, they're based on confirmed price structure and further annotated with historical volume readings. This gives traders a layered view: directional trend, momentum sensitivity, and reactionary zones, each backed by volume logic. The color-coded trend bands and shaded fills make it easy to visualize shift points. Arrows appear when trend transitions occur, and the smoothed VIDYA line anchors it all without overwhelming the chart. This indicator becomes even more powerful when used alongside other tools. Pairing it with momentum oscillators like the stochastic RSI or the True Strength Index can help confirm whether volume-backed trend shifts are supported by internal price dynamics. It also complements volatility filters like Donchian channels or Bollinger Bands, especially when assessing breakout continuation versus mean reversion scenarios. That said, the Volumatic VIDYA does have its limitations. It's inherently reactive, meaning it waits for confirmation before adjusting its view. During rapid news-driven price moves, this can introduce a lag, particularly if the initial spike lacks volume. Additionally, while the liquidity zones are helpful in mapping past reactions, they are not guaranteed to hold in future sessions, especially in thin or pre-market conditions. For traders who want to stay adaptive without constantly recalibrating indicators, the Volumatic VIDYA offers a balanced approach to trend, structure, and flow, refined enough for professionals, but intuitive enough for developing traders who are learning to read the story behind price.